Hi, boys and girls. Okay, so today is Wednesday. Let's stretch that word. W, w, w. What's the first sound? W, w. That is a W, okay? And remember, it's a day of the week, so it has to be a capital. W, w. Wednesday. Okay, that's Wednesday. Now, what month are we in? February. The first sound. Now, February is special, just like a day of the week and like our names. So it has to start with a capital. So capital F, E, B, R, U, A, R, Y. February what? The 3rd. I have to squeeze it down here. The year is 2021. Okay, so remember now we write the date in numbers after we write the short way of writing Wednesday. Short way, the little way to write Wednesday is W-E-D, period. Now for February, the short way is capital F-E-B, period. Okay, now the numbers. February is the first month? No, January is the first. February is the second month. So 2 dash, and then it's the 3rd day. And what's the year? 20, and we just write the last two numbers, 21. Okay, another way to write the date is we could write 2 for February, then write a slash, and then put the 3, and then another slash, and then what year? It's 2021. We just write the 21. Okay, here we go. Good. Now my sentence is, can you count to 20? Here we go. Let's count the words. Can you count to 20? How many words? 5. So how many lines am I going to draw? 5. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so first word, can. Stretch it. There are actually 2 letters in our alphabet that make that sound. One is a C and one is a K. Which one do you think we should go with? Well, I wrote C first, we'll go with C. It doesn't matter because families, if you remember, what I'm teaching is for them to remember and to learn for every sound they hear, we're writing one letter, okay? Except for like we learned yesterday in class, shh, that's SH. We did learn that. Okay, so now it's going to be a capital because it's the beginning of a sentence, okay? So let's do that C. Now let's stretch it. An. What letter says a? That would be A. N. What letter is that? Good job. N. Okay, so let's go back and read it. Can you stretch the word you? That is a Y. Good job. Now to make a Y, we do the long line first. It's at an angle, kind of like this line right here, the slant, the Y, and then we go over here and we come down and we meet it. Okay? Y. Now let's stretch it. Ooh. It's not really an O, it's not really an sound, but I don't really know how to describe it. I know how to spell the word, but we're just writing what we hear. Ooh. It's kind of a U, ooh, okay? Read it again. Can you count? Well, over here we had the and we had what letter? C. We could do C or we could do K. K, k. They both make the K sound. I'll do C. K, k, k. Now it's a lowercase, it's not a capital. K, ow, cow, w, cow, count, count, n. It's an N. Count, t, t. Good job, that's a T. Okay, now we got to keep rereading it so we remember what we're writing. Can you count to t, 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 t. That's a T. T, ooh, 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 kind of like in you. Ooh, ooh. Two. Read it again. Here we go. Can you count to 20? Now I'm just going to write write the number 20. A 20 is a 2 and a 0. Now I'm asking a question. So if we're asking a question, are we going to use a period, an exclamation point, or a question mark? Do you know? Question mark. Kind of circled the, here we go. There we go. So which one is it? The question mark. Okay, so gonna move this over so I don't confuse everybody. So can you count to 20? Then I'm gonna make my question mark. There we go. So now let's read it. Can you count to 20? Can you? I don't know. Let's count the words now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 what? 5 words. 5 words. Yeah, this sentence has 5 words. Very cool. Okay, so you are doing a really good job, boys and girls, in participating and doing this with me and sounding out words. Now remember, since we are really beginning how to do this. So when you're drawing the lines, make sure families, they're putting a space, because we have to put a space between words. Yeah, we have to, because if we don't do that, then it gets really mushy and all the words get smushed together. Then it looks like one long word. Yeah. And we're learning what? We're learning letter sounds. So it doesn't matter, families, remember, if we're spelling it the right way. It's okay, no worries. But we're learning how to put spaces between words. We're learning how to stretch words and write down the letter sounds we hear the best we can. And if your little one is like, oh, it's a lot to write all those letters, and they're just able to write the first letter of the word, can you count to 20? That's okay too. Yeah. Because they're understanding this is the beginning of a word. This is a word. This is word number 2. This is word number 3. This is word number 4, and this is word number 5. Can you count to 20? So if they're just writing the first letter of every word, that's okay too. Okay? Okay, guys. Don't forget, we only have 2 classes today. In the 12:30 class, we will have a special reader. And on Friday, we have Friday pickup from 9 to 11. Okay, guys, I'll see you later. Bye.